Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to see all about how to create the website using the Google, using the drag and drop method in the easy way. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our video guys. Let's see about the how to create the website. Okay, so first of all we have to search here as Google Sites, and here you can see the link of the Google Sites, and you can see like this page, and just hit to the template gallery button, and here you can find too many templates. As you can see here, like example, I have an restaurant and I want to make an website of my restaurant, and let's see about the restaurants template. And here you can see the restaurant template. If you have a salon, then you can use this one. As I'm using the restaurant one, let's click here. After selecting the template, then here you can see like this type of the interface, and simply here you can drag and drop, and simply here you can drag and drop, or you can change anything. Like example, my restaurant name is Aryan Hotel. Okay, so I can change the name. Like example, here is a small message like this hotel provides pure veg food. Okay, here you can change the names also, and here is the like you can create your button as they have created. And this image, you can change this image. Like example, I will show you. Okay, just a second. Here you can click on the three dot and replace image, and you can simply click on the upload button, and simply you can change your image. Okay, so here you can add the buttons. Like here you can simply do the up and down, and you can change anywhere. And here is the footer part, and here is the header part, and here you can change. Like I give you Aryan. Okay, so like here I want to create another page, so another content. Simply I can do here drag and drop, and I can upload here, or I can write here anything else. Okay, here you have too many templates, and you can simply add your form link or the sheets or anything else, and you can add here text box. And these are the pages. Like contact us, here you can add, or you can change your location. You can show your location here. And this is how we have shown about the how to create a website using the Google Sites in the simple way using the drag and drop method. Okay, now simply if you want to see our website, simply hit here on the review button, and here you can see our website is ready, and simply click on the reservation. Then here you can find the new page. Okay, because of we have linked with the google.com page. Okay, google.com link. Okay, and here simply you can click on the contact us, and here you can see our pages. Okay, if you want to share this website to your friend or anything else, then simply click here on the publish, and give your website name as Aryan Hotel. Okay, and simply hit on the publish button, and here you can find the copy site link button. It will enable, and simply copy your link and just paste your link to your friend using the WhatsApp or the social medias. You can send your link and they can see your website. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video. Let's see you in the next video guys.